for speed, I'm going straight to the top.
YouTube, what's going on? It's Tez. We back with another video, you feel me? We finally bringing the 335 out tonight. Got some cars out here, you feel me? 346 F80 GTR Z06. So we got some cars out here. I believe I'm supposed to be running a Rs3. I think it's just tune and intake, I think, for the most part. I don't know, but you know how people be, but it's for fun. So we're gonna do a 40 roll. I'm gonna record on the GoPro and whatnot, but yeah, bro, it's lit. We outside tonight, man. So got another GTR over there as well. We got an F80 over there, the Rs3 over there, Mustang. What was it on the ground? GTR. Trackhawk. Hellcat right there, acting up. We got more people coming through. Nah, I ain't gonna lie, this color on this Trackhawk, I hope the GoPro really picking it up, bro. Cause this color is valid. Oh my god. Bro, that color valid on this track. I don't think I ever seen a Trackhawk this color. For all my people, for all my Mopar fans, Mopar community, what color is this, bro? I think I might have to put this color on a 335. Sheesh. Big boy Hellcat. And we should be turning the 335 up this week. Oh, that's Renata. Big boy Hellcat pulled up 40. Red GTR. See, let me get both the cars. This could be a nice thumbnail right here. You know, YouTubers got to get our thumbnails. You did. But yeah, so far I think it's bolt on tune. Maybe, I don't know. But he got R888s on it. See, got the Toyos. So it should be a good one. I feel like he gonna pull me and beat me. I don't know what roll we gonna do. What's up, man?
What's up, my boy? How you doing, brother?
Good, bro. Blessed. My boy Pomo right there. This is the E46. This man got so many cars, bro. It don't make no sense. Every time I see him, he in a different car. But yeah, nice GTR.
I knew it, bro.
We're gonna roll. I think we might do a 40 and a 60. But you know, it's all for fun and games. You know, it's all love. Win or lose. You know, I do it for the content, do it for y'all, do it for the video. So, may the best man win. And if he beat me, of course I'm gonna have to turn the car up and then run him again.
spinning full speed, I'm going straight to the top.